Today I will be working on this Black & Decker quick press iron. Decker should be here, just that because the writing has faded away. Right? Complaint is that this iron is not working. Right? It could be the card, it could be the fuse that is inside of the iron, it could be the element, and it could be the thermostat. Right? So before we make any assumption, so we have to use our meter to do the checks. Right? So what I'm going to do, right, as you can see, I use the alligator clips on it. The meter is on ohms. Now I'm going to turn the knob. Nothing happens. Alright? Nothing happens. Alright? Ensure the meter is working. Show you. Yeah. So what I have to do now is go into this iron, pull it from here. If you notice, there's a special type of screw, so I do have the screwdriver for that, but what I did is take this screwdriver, it was a flathead, no, it's not a flathead anymore, and turn it in this type of screwdriver. I don't remember the name of it. Alright, so I'm going to use this, pull that, and then do some more checks. Now this is the after pulling off the cover. Alright, so I'm going to loosen up this screw, right, and remove the card from the terminal so that we can do a proper check and then see from there. So I'm going to check from this socket, from this plug rather, to right here, right? And if I get a good continuity right here, I'm going to go further. I'm going to check the element further down in the iron, right? So let's check from this point to this point first, and then see if there's any problem lies. Alright, as you can see, we disconnect the wires. So what I'm going to do now is use one alligator clip on this, put it right there, and then I'm going to check them individually. Alright, not getting anything, nothing. Alright, move on to this leg, move on to this one now. You can see there's a breakage somewhere right here, so I'm going to pull this and do some more checks. Alright, so the card has been cut. Now it's going to check it. Alright, nothing working. That leg is good. Alright, nothing. Alright, As you can see, I cut it where it was on the iron right here, and after cutting it, still nothing. So what I have to go do now, I have to go replace this card with another card for it. But before I go to that, I'm going to check right here. Alright, so you can see I have put the terminal inside up. So now I'm going to turn the knob. That is what I should get. Alright, see, turn off, turn on. So right away we'll have a defective card, so this is going to be replaced. As you can see, I got a white one. Alright, to ensure the meter is working properly, test it. Alright, now I'm going to see it, that's working. Alright, check the other one, that's good. Alright, so we have a working card, so we're going to use this on this iron. Alright, so now I have replaced it. Alright, and this is the old one. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, clip one end to that, the other end like so. Okay. See, working. Alright, so I'm going to plug it in now. Alright, so the iron is plugged in. So turn it on now. See? Alright, come on. Alright, so iron is fixed. Alright, so thanks for watching. Please like, shares and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.